Just a day after new Manipur DGP's inspection visit to Kangpokpi district, a 57-year-old Naga village guard was reportedly killed in an alleged attack by armed Kukis militants in Kangpokpi district this morning. According to information received by Impact News, the incident occurred around 5 a.m. in the area of Pongringlong village, a Rongmei Naga village in Kangpokpi district. The deceased has been identified as Chunjanlung Panmei of Pongringlong village. Reports said Chunjanlung had gone to a nearby forest area between Pongringlong village and Loibol Kulen to collect firewood when armed men allegedly opened fire. After hearing gunshots, villagers rushed to the area but could not find him immediately. A subsequent search led to the recovery of his body with bullet wounds inside the forest. The incident has triggered strong condemnation from the Pongringlong Youth Club, which denounced the killing and demanded appropriate action against those responsible.